Hi, what's up guys? This is Bosko, and today I am going to show you guys how to reset the Google Home Mini. And the reason why you want to do this is because if you want to sell it or return it, if you don't like it after the few days you bought it, and the last one is to give it to a friend or a family member. So the first thing you have to do first is to leave the Google Home Mini plugged in to the wall, or plug it in into a power bank. So, and the second thing you have to do now is to find the circle is on the back, and you have to hold on to that button till the light turns orange.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
Yeah, you have to keep holding on to the button. And now, hold on to the button. And now let go. And guys, and that's the reset right there. And now you have to do is to, if you want to return it, just put it back in the box along with the cord, and do the same thing if you're going to give it to a family member or a friend, or to sell it. So, and I forgot to tell you guys, another reason is if you are having problems with the Google Home Mini, then you can reset it and set it back up again. And I hope this video did help you guys out, and please make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this and more gaming videos and more unboxings and reviews. And please comment and rate this video, and please subscribe if you are new to my channel, and please make sure to comment and rate this video as well. And this will be Alexander Bosko signing off, guys, and peace out. Bye guys, peace.